We'll guide you through how to ensure your privacy while using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you need to log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the settings section, usually found by clicking on your profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the privacy settings option. This is where you can manage your data and privacy preferences. Make sure to review all the available options. You'll typically find settings related to data sharing, chat history, and account activity. It's important to disable any unnecessary data sharing options to keep your information secure. If there's an option to turn off chat history, you might want to enable that if you prefer your conversations not to be stored. Additionally, check for any option that allows you to manage third-party access if there's any service or app you don't recognize or no longer use. It's a good idea to revoke its access. Always make sure to save any changes you make before leaving the settings page. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. This can protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember, keeping your software and browser up to date is also crucial for maintaining privacy. Regular updates often include important security patches. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.